Hi friends, today we will talk about the basic of auto layout in Figma. I will try to teach you the basic of auto layout. I created this auto layout example to help illustrate the concept more clearly. So, here I am clicking on left, right, top and bottom, and you can see how it looks. And there are totally three options or direction of auto layout: horizontal layout, vertical layout, and the wrap. And by the way, this one is horizontal layout, I mean left to right or right to left. And now I am making the center. And clicked on vertical, it became like this. Let me enlarge this. View again, left, top, bottom, and right. Now, let's click on wrap. Wrap allows objects to flow horizontally and automatically create new rows when they exceed the frame's width. So, if I will shrink this frame, it will try to auto-adjust based on the frame. It is now align right. Click on Align Center, and resize the frame again, and Figma will adjust its center automatically. Now that you have a basic understanding of auto layout, let's understand more in detail. But, before we dive into the detail, there's one key point I want to highlight. When you create an auto layout in Figma, it automatically sets the direction based on the placement of elements. Now, let's continue the detail. Now you can see here that we have total 5 elements side by side. I am simply selecting these elements. Pressed Shift-A, and it became auto layout. See in the right-hand section, we have now option to make it left, right, top or bottom, and so on. But Figma made it top left by default, which we can change it if we want for sure. And now, if you see these were almost same and balanced before auto layout. Now if you come here, the elements are placed kind of zigzag. And now if I will select these elements and make auto layout by pressing Shift-A, it made the direction horizontally. And, by default, Figma made it align left. And this is the beauty of auto layout. And now it's totally zigzag and totally odd. So, here, if you press Shift-A for auto layout, you can see that Figma automatically made it as the wrap. Now, you can set the space between size if you want. Let's make it 30, and as it is wrap, it will set and adjust automatically. So we have done the horizontal. Now for the vertical, it works same as above. So I came here and I made it auto layout. Now Figma understood and made it vertical by default. Similarly, this one, it's zigzag but not a lot. And if I will make it auto layout, Figma made it auto layout vertically as well. And here, which is too much zigzag and odd, with auto layout, it will do the same as above, we'll make it wrap. Now you can play around it if you want. Now, let's make this frame a bit more visible. Here, I will click this padding box and will give the 30 pixels of padding. Hold Ctrl key while clicking here so it allows me to put padding value around all sides. And now, in the color area, I will choose any color. Let's put the black. You can put any color you want. Now, as it's set to the wrap, Figma will automatically adjust the layout, even if I resize the frame. Let's enlarge this frame for more space. Now click on horizontal layout, you can see, nothing happened. As when it was in wrap, the position was same as horizontal. Click on vertical, and here's how it looks in vertical mode. Let me resize it so we get more space here. Now try bottom left, align left, top right, align right, bottom right, align center, and center. So it was the basic of auto layout. Play around it, try practicing as much as you can. Try different direction and other layouts, horizontal, vertical, and wrap as well. I hope this helped you understand the basics of auto layout. If you found it useful, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye, and take care.